hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad.
Yeah, I am a smart mouth. How'd you think I wound up where I am, who I am by now? Just another minute till we sisters sign off. So if you're not with it, wave bye bye bye. Babe, I got a third eye. I don't do receipts, I'm a witch, fill me up for my switch.
I'm a bitch.
I'm a devil in disguise. Then I'm hypnotized. They don't even notice. They're in on the ride of their life lifetime. You cannot control this. Hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad time. They don't even notice. They're in on the ride of their life lifetime. You cannot control this. Hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad. I'm a witch, I'm a bitch, fuck you up until you die. With my trashy attitude and my demons in the mood. As the prey become the huntress, I've got them all confused. I will never be enslaved to the ideas they fuse. Once a whore, we're nothing more than morning creatures being used. Didn't stop it, get what Bendix were obsessed with being praised. Vein so well, you are too crafty, we have made this homework, yay. They don't even notice. They're in on the ride of their life lifetime. You cannot control this. Hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad time. They don't even notice. They're in on the ride of their life lifetime. You cannot control this. Hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad time. Me and her and him making love in the corner of your brain. And it's dark and it's damp, make no mistake. I sure am what I hate, they don't love me all the same. Me and her and him making love in the corner of your brain. And it's dark and it's damp, make no mistake. I sure am what I hate, they don't love me all the same. They don't even notice. They're in on the ride of their life lifetime. You cannot control this. Hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad time. They don't even notice. They're in on the ride of their life lifetime. You cannot control this. Hype me up, or you're gonna have a real bad.
You are gonna have a really, really bad time, sir.
This shit. Hype me up, or